It's a relief to have a fair bit of the veg plot dug. It gives me great pleasure to see it there all sitting, soil improving with a bit of frost and thawing. But I need to crack on with the apple tree and the soft fruit pruning. Sap's on the move. We will have shown you the early stages of pruning this fan shaped red currant, and it's very straightforward. All we need to do is to cut back to about 1 inch all the side shoots all the way up every one of those fanned branches. I try and hold on to the pieces so that I don't drop them to make a mess, but all the way up we just go cutting back to about 1 inch, and each of those little spurs will produce a flower truss and some red currants. I need to replace the canes. Let's just do this one more quickly. So they're cut back quite quick, quite hard. One, and here I've got a nice bit of hardwood cutting there, back to about 1 inch or 2 all the way up. Any old bits of debris you pull off as you go. Got another hardwood cutting there and there and there. Oh, it's a lovely job. Fan trained soft roots are just so easy to prune, and when they've reached the height you want, then you just tip back there and there. They'll grow again, but next year we'll have to cut them back again. And if I go on a bit further, then when the red currants are all pruned back to 1 inch, this one tipped a little, I go to the cordon gooseberries. Exactly the same story. The lead, that's what was grown last summer, that's cut back by 1/2. Let me just cut the string off. So that lead shoot is cut back by 1/2. That will keep it nice and bushy all the way down, but all the side growths are cut back to about 2 or 3 buds 1 inch. Be careful of the prickles with gooseberries. This is a variety called Invicta, which is very good because it's resistant to mildew. It's a culinary variety, and we just get a little bit wider as we come down to the base. Let's put those to one side for a moment. Now I'm cutting this one right back because you've got some really good flower and fruit bud there. And against a fence or a wall, it's very easy to apply a net at the top, so that when they begin to ripen and the birds might be a problem, we can just fit a net to the top and drop it all the way down. Very satisfying job that. I love pruning soft fruit.